In today's video, I'm going to show us the same application that I recorded last time for how to make extra coins. So for my account, I'm going to open my account, and as you can see from here, so I'm going to show us how I was able to make this 30,930 coin. It is just for free. As I said, this application, I've never recharged on it with my money, but I've been withdrawing. And as you can see, all this one is my point. So what you are going to do after you have performed your task, there is still another task. If you're a woman, you have to go and sit on a chair. That one is for 1 hour. Okay, but this one, I want to show us how we can perform your task. All you need to do is just go to this second option here and tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's called party. Look for any party that is there is a space there for you. Okay, once you click on any party, just click on any party. If there is space, you see that there is no space, you can continue scrolling up. Like this place, there is space here, so wait for it to load. Just go to any live, the first one here, tap on it and click on it. Once you click on it, you see that there are people sitting here. If there is no seat here, scroll up again. Okay, once you scroll up, you see that there is a lot of people here. What you are going to do, what is important here, is seeing this like a box. Okay, just tap here and sit down. You see that I'm sitting down already in this place. This is my account. This number 4 is my account, and as you can see, they removed me. Okay, let me go to another place. Okay, so you can see that this person is on his own live stream. He's just doing his own normal tasks per day. That's what she's doing. What you are going to look out for is this box that you are seeing here. This box is very important. That is where the coins is always dropping every time that you're waiting. It's just 5 minutes, so you wait for it for 5 minutes for it to drop. Okay, so let's wait for it. I will let you know once it is 5 minutes. So as you can see that after 5 minutes, you can see the way the box is shaking. It's shaking. Okay, and what do you need to do? Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to open for you. You can see that you have what? You have free 40 coins. All you need to do, they can ask you if you want to play the game. Okay, if you are just new, they might not ask you if you want to play game. Okay, all you need to do is just say I see or I claim, or just tap anywhere on your phone. You have already claimed it. So if I open you can look down here, you can see my box gallery. When I open it, you see that I already have at the beginning of the video, I have 930. Now it is 970. So you have the right to claim this for 10 times a day. That is 400 coins. Okay, that 400 coins, if you now have somebody that you want to convert it to money, so you now come to this gift gallery and be sending any gift, maybe lucky gift. Mostly people use lucky gift because sometimes you can also still win coins as you are sending lucky gifts also. So mostly people use lucky gifts. Then you just scroll up and choose any gift that you want to send to that person. I'm still going to teach us how to send the gift. Okay, but for today, it's just how to claim free coin. Okay, and